human beings, the superior species of Earth. The nature has gifted them the precious gift of curiosity, imagination, and an intelligent mind. This gift has helped them to evolve throughout the ages, from forest to technological advanced cities, and they are moving forward toward an unending quest of finding the secrets of the universe.
I am science. I have also evolved with the humans from the ages. Today I have grown into a huge tree, but my roots are deep down in the different historic eras. My each branch have origin root in time, from where it have evolved, and I am here to tell you the stories of origin of my each branches. So come with me to witness the great minds of history and their works, which change the thinking of world and establish the new branch of science.
The Golden Age of Dutch. This was the period in history of Europe where science and technology, arts and trade was on its peak. In this golden age, one man was about to change the world's way of looking at tiny things. I remember it was 24 October 1632. It was Golden Age of Dutch period. During this day, in the town of Delft, Philips and Margaretha couple were happy because Margaretha was blessed with a baby boy, whom they named him Antony. Philips was a poor basket maker. He was used to earn his bread and butter with making baskets and selling them. But when Anthony was 5 years old, Phillips died. Poor Anthony became fatherless in one day. Anthony started going to school in Vermont, but it was for a short time. 60-year-old Anthony became a bookkeeper apprentice at linen rubber shop in Amsterdam. He was 22 years old when he married to beautiful Barbara de May. But fate has decided to test Anthony. Anthony's 4 children died in their infancy, but one girl survived. He named her Maria. Anthony returned to the town of Delft. He opened a draper shop, and the true journey was begun of finding something which was hidden in the eyes of the world. While running his draper shop, Anthony developed an interest in lens making. The reason was he wanted to check the quality of thread, but more better than magnifying lenses of that time. To help keep his method confidential, he apparently intentionally encouraged others to think grinding was his primary construction method. After developing his method for creating powerful lenses, the study of microscopic world began. Anthony introduced his work to his friend René de Graaf. He was a Dutch physicist. At first, Anthony was hesitant to publish his work, but after urge of René de Graaf to be more confident in his work, in 1673, the society published a letter from Anthony. But now he was not only stayed Anthony, a normal boy from Delft town. He became Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. His observations captured the attention of Royal Society. He wrote some 119 letters to the society until his death, of detailing his findings. He published his letter in his Dutch language. Later, Henry Oldenburg translated Dutch letters into English of Anthony, and he introduced the word Animalcules, which means small microorganisms or now. Translation of Dutch microorganism. The end of 17th century. Van Leeuwenhoek had a virtual monopoly on his microscopic study and discovery. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek made more than 500 optical lenses and 25 single-lens microscopes. 275 times magnification was possible with his lenses. He was first to observe a microorganism, spermatozoa, muscle fibers, vacuoles in the cell. At the age of 90 on 26 August 1723, Antony van Leeuwenhoek left the world, but his discoveries opened the gateway of new world.